Hello friends, today I will show you how you can build a YouTube channel on travel niche. Don't worry, you don't need to visit those places. I know this is a very competitive niche, but you can still work on this because advertisers spend a lot of money on this niche and it is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube. So with minimum views you can earn a lot. And at the end of this video, I will give you a bonus tip so you can earn more from this type of channel. Even before your monetization turns on, I will only use AI to make my video. At first, check this channel. This channel has around 1.26 million subscribers from only 120 videos. At this moment, each month, they are uploading only one video. Their content idea is very much simple. They work on only top 10 or top 20 places of the country. So you can pick their titles as your topic. You don't need to search for your new title or topic. They have the same types of thumbnail for their every single video. 2 or 3 words over a beautiful image. So you can easily make it. Now to start our video, pick a title from the channel or make a new one, like I want to make a video on Paris. So go to ChatGPT and write something like write on YouTube script about best places to visit in Paris. Use friendly and engaging tone. So ChatGPT is preparing our content. Within a minute our content is ready. Now just copy it by clicking here and paste it somewhere else. So our content is ready. Now video editing. For editing I am going to use InVideo. From this sign up option just make your account. This is my account and this is their dashboard. They have thousands of templates. Just use them. What types of video you are making, like fashion, e-commerce, travel, just select them and select a template. But for making my video, I will use this option, AI text to video. Just click on it. You will get a lot of template. I am selecting this simple one. Just click on it, select landscape and click on use template. Here you need to put a script. So go back to our script. Just copy it. I am copying part of my script and just come here and paste it. Now from this option, just click on premium and then click on create scenes. Now click yes and then again click on create scenes. So InVideo is creating our scenes. It will take couple of minutes. So our video is ready. Now we need to edit them. For editing, just click on edit scene. From here, just click on this audio track and delete it. Then we need to edit video. This is the first scene, this is the second scene, this is the third scene. Let's start from the first one. Just click on it, click on the video, go to video and write something related to your text like hello. Now just select the video and drag it over the video. Then click on replace. Now click on add. So our video has been added. So just follow this step and change the video you needed. Like for the second scene, just click on the video and write here Paris. Just drag a video over your video and replace it. Now add. Our second scene is ready. Our third scene, do the same. Replace. Now add. So just follow this step or rest of your video. That's it. Now this black part at the corner of the video, you can change them also. Just click on this overlay, click on this lock button. Now here is the overlay layer. Just click on it and delete. Our overlay is gone. So just do the same for the rest. If you don't have any overlay over your video, then no need to do that. Now text. For text, just click on this text. Now you can change the font from this option. Just find out your like and select. Then click on all text. So all the text font of this video will be changed. Now from this option, you can also change the color of your text. Just click on it and click on this box. From here, you can change the color. From here, you can change the color. I like the white one, so I am not changing it. But if you like other color, you can change it. Now voiceover. For voiceover, just click on this voiceover option. You can import your voice or record your voice. I am just using automated text to speech. So just click on it. The language is English, and here are the list of the voiceover artists. You can select any of them. I am just selecting John. Then click on Generate Voiceover. Add automated voiceover for all scenes. Just click on it and click on Add. It will create voiceover for the entire video. So our voiceover is ready. Let's check. Just click on it.
Back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey to one of the most enchanting cities in the world, Paris. That's right, we're uncovering the best places to visit in the city of love.
The voiceover looks good. You can use them. But here is the problem. Our sentence is too long. So split the long sentence in 2-3 sentences. That will make your video more beautiful. So after doing that, just click on this export button, select video quality and click on export. Our video is rendering and within 2-3 minutes our video will be ready. Now the bonus tips. We can earn huge money by adding affiliate link on our video description. You may sell any product or ticket, but why you will get the affiliate products that we can sell? For this, just visit Google. Write something like best affiliate programs for travel niche. You will get lots of articles. Just visit on. Look here. They made a list of 23 affiliate programs. You can check what offers they are giving. You can earn a commission rate as high as 15% for an average basket of $100 to $150. So if you can convert only 10 viewers from your channel, you can earn around $1,000. Look this site. They are selling Eiffel Tower tickets, cruise dinner tickets. You can make related contents and can do the same. You can earn more money from affiliate than AdSense. Just you need to work consistently and obviously for a long time. No shortcut. That's the secret. Thank you.